Ngayon, as the father of the province of Sultan Kudarat, bilang ama, ang ninanais ko sa inyo ay simple lang. That you, as the people of Sultan Kudarat, deserve the best Sultan Kudarat that there can ever be. Dito sa Sultan Kudarat, nagagawa natin ang iba't ibang problema. Nagagawa natin ang iba't ibang programa na makatulong sa taong bayan dahil dito, ini-implement natin lahat. Walang ghost-ghost. Walang substandard, walang kulang-kulang. As the father, we give everything that we can for the people. Pangalawa, lagi kong sinasabi, the people of Sultan Kudarat deserve the best and only the best, and we are trying to do the best. As a father, again, all I want is the best for my people. And lastly, as the father of Sultan Kudarat, all I want ay maging proud po ang ating mga kapamilya. That you will be proud, that you will promote Sultan Kudarat. Kaya ilabas niyo po ang inyong mga camera at cellphone. Pakita natin sa ating social media, ikwento natin sa ating mga kaibigan, ipakita natin kung ano na ang Sultan Kudarat because it is an opportunity for us to show what we have truly become. Again, ladies and gentlemen, ang aking ninanais ay ang bawat Sultan Kudaratenyo, ang bawat isa sa atin, saan man tayo mapadpad, proud na tayo ay taga-Sultan Kudarat. All I want is for everyone to be proud of our province, to be proud of our youth, to be proud of our capital, to be proud of our leaders, and to be proud of our programs. Yun lamang po, bilang ama, we want everyone to be proud of what we have become.